When people come here, what is their reaction when they see these trees?
They're stunned. They don't think they can do it. I always hear, oh, I could never do that, but they're so beautiful. I'd love to be able to do, this type of thing. And I guess what they don't realize, if they started learning some of the basics, they may be able to do it and really surprise themselves. It is so relaxing. And if you've had a hard day or something, you come home on a really nice summer night, you just sit there and literally get into the tree and you're just lost. That's what I get out of it. I love it. My favorite thing is when you take something that's just this big bush that you buy at like a landscape center, and you turn it into something beautiful, like in one step, basically. Of course, it's not a finished thing. It's always a work in progress because it's a growing thing and it always changes. Sometimes branches will die. But to me, taking it from this big bushy thing that you can't even see the trunk on and styling it into something that's graceful and beautiful and wiring it, and we always do these before and after pictures so we can see what we did. To me, that's fun. I really enjoy that. And then there's the tweaking. I like to do that too.
And the hardest part?
Probably looking at that big overgrown bush and trying to figure out what shape you're going to do and what branches you're going to use, and because you have to sort of look at it and you kind of have to see through the branches you're not going to use and see what has the movement that you want, and that to me I think is really tough. I hope they get a new understanding of what it is, and what we really want to do is spread it so that we get more members and we get more people interested, and people actually know what they are now instead of almost being afraid of it. A lot of people say, oh my God, that tree is gorgeous. I could never do that, and we're sort of here to tell them yes they could.